Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you character creation menu. Firstly, we can change race. You can select Argonian, Breton, Dark Elf, High Elf, Imperial, Wood Elf, Redguard, Orc, Nord, and Khajiit. Next you can select Origin. Each race has its own origin. Now we can randomize appearance of our character, or we can create our custom one. First, you can change body type, age, tone. Next, you can change brow, cheeks, chin, eyes, face, forehead, jaw, mouth, and nose. Next, we can go to hair and select our custom. Then we can change length of. In the end, we can change facial hair. In overview, you can see all information about character, and you can enter his or her name. Tap continue. Yes. And we are in prologue game. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.